Hi guys, this is Lidile Manamela speaking, your mentor at Magnate Varsity. On today's video, we'll be doing just a walk around of our website, just to show you a few things about our website. And then on the next videos, that's all we'll go into detail with different sections of our website. So this is our home page. So remember, you go to www.magnatevarsity.com. So these are our pages here. We have about us, if you want to know more about us. Then we have the courses that we have on offer, frequently asked questions. When you have questions, you can just go here. You'll see questions that we try to put a lot of questions that you can simply check for answers also. If you have any more questions, you'll just reach out to us. Affiliate section, refer clients to us and you get paid. Then our contact us page. Then this is the sign up. Then this is the login page. So this sign up here, most people purchase our courses, then they don't need to sign up. Basically, you purchase our courses, automatically you'll be enrolled for the course. Then when you come back, you just log in here. So I'm just gonna scroll down. Oh, while at it, we also have a quick WhatsApp link here. So if you have questions that you want to ask, inquire, you purchase the course, you're experiencing difficulties, simply just click here. Then it will take you to the WhatsApp page. Okay, then you simply send us a message on a question that you have, or you can simply just call us. Contact details, you can get them on contact us page. So let's just scroll down. So this is what we have to offer. We have experts, uh, and also you can learn at your own pace. So the current courses that we have on offer is the this course here. It's only a quiz course which has about 40 questions. Then you have the exam pack course for RE5, which has over 200 plus questions, the RE5 full course, and also the RE1 full course. So all these courses are currently on offer on a pre-sale, which is the amounts that you see here. So as you scroll down, who we are, this is about us. If you want to get to know more about us and why you started this company, as you scroll down, then this is where you know why should you choose us. We have qualified professionals who've been in the industry for a long time, who have a supportive community, mentorships, weekly mentorships, live sessions to ensure that you pass. Our comprehensive curriculum basically ensures that you can succeed and pass your RE5 or RE1. So this is the affiliate section. So we'll also do a video about this specifically alone. Then this is about our growth so far. Then this is just links to our website, to our YouTube channel, Instagram page, and other pages as well. So when you go to our About Us page, this is what you can come across. We actually try to make this website to be user friendly. So this is About Us page. So you'll just get to read more about us here, our goals, our mission, who we are, and so forth. This is where you see the courses that we currently have on offer. Remember, always ensure that when you click to the courses page, before you purchase any course, if you want to inquire about our specials, you can just WhatsApp us, or you can still see the specials that we have on offer on the courses here. As you can see here, the previous price was 3.5, now it's 1.9. Then 6 lectures, duration of the course, and so forth. So RE5 is 2 weeks, RE1 is 3 weeks, but doesn't mean after 2 weeks we are done. We'll still give you ongoing support and training. This is the frequently asked questions on the next page. This is the frequently asked questions on the next page. So if you have questions, you can just simply come here and check if they are not the question that you want to know about is not here. If it is here, then you have the answer. If not, then feel free to WhatsApp us. Then this is the affiliate section. So in the affiliate section, because there's a separate section for people who purchase the course to log in here. Then on the affiliate section, you simply log in here. This is where you log in for the affiliate section, so it doesn't come across as having two logins here. So the contact us page, guys, simply contact us. You can WhatsApp, call us, WhatsApp, DM us on Telegram or email us also, or maybe just load a feedback form here. So yes, guys, this is our website. So if you want to log in, you can simply just click login. You're an existing client, so basically you just come here, fill in your details, then log in. If you want to sign up, simply click the sign up page. Then this is what it will show. Sign up your email, username, and so forth. Agree to the terms and conditions. Then yeah, that's all. So I hope this walk around of our website gives you a glimpse of how our website goes about. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you in the next video whereby I talk about more things that we offer. For example, our courses, how to register, the affiliate section, and so forth. Thank you so much for your time, guys. See you in the next video.